there, forest friend. Thanks for clicking on our video. We're so happy you're here. Let's go!
The letter A went apple picking. Help the letter pick as many apples as possible. Drag the boards for the letter to jump on them. Keep it up. Done! A. Apple. The letter got dirty. First, soap the letter up. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the letter with a towel. Beautiful! The letter got crumpled. Smooth the letter. Like this. Put the letter in its place. Hooray! The danger is over. Clean the word. A. Apple. Take a nut for the squirrel. Choose a vehicle for the squirrel. Hold your finger to the screen for the squirrel to move forward. Collect letters to get a nut.
A. B. C. D. E. E. F. G. H. H. I. J.
Hooray, we've reached our destination. Take a nut for the squirrel. Help the letter T get down from the tree. Throw the handle. Got it! T. Tree. The letter got dirty. First, soap the letter up. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the letter with a towel. Ready? The letter got crumpled. Smooth the letter. Done! Put the letter in its place. Now I'm safe. Clean the word. T. Tree. Take a nut for the squirrel. Choose a vehicle for the squirrel. Hold your finger to the screen for the squirrel to move forward. Collect letters to get a nut. Hooray, we've reached our destination. You've earned a nut for the squirrel. Letter I got accidentally trapped at night. We need to light up the lawn to find the key. Drag the insects into the lantern. Good job! I. Insect. The letter got dirty. First, soap the letter up. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the letter with a towel. Ready? The letter got crumpled. Smooth the letter. Beautiful! Put the letter in its place. Thanks for the help. Clean the word. I, insect. Take a nut for the squirrel.
You learn this word. A apple. Tree. I insect.